Ever wondered if you could merge the best of both worlds, traditional banking and the exciting new frontier of cryptocurrency? You're not alone. The world of finance is changing, and for a long time, it felt like these two ecosystems were separate, even opposing. You had your traditional bank accounts for everyday transactions and your crypto wallets for investment, trading, and hodling. But what if you could bridge that gap seamlessly? What if you could spend your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets just as easily as you spend the euros in your bank account, without the hassle of multiple conversions and transfers? This is where the Bitwala card comes in. It's more than just a piece of plastic, it's a financial tool that connects your crypto and fiat worlds. It's a debit card that's linked to a German bank account, but with a crucial difference: it's designed from the ground up to integrate your crypto assets. It allows you to manage your Bitcoin and Ethereum directly from the same platform where you handle your euros. This means you can store, trade, and even earn interest on your crypto, and when you're ready, you can instantly convert it to euros and spend it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So, how do you get your hands on this gateway to the future of finance? The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, you'll need to open a Bitwala account. Head over to their website and click on the Open Account button. You'll be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your name, email, and a password. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next comes the identity verification process, which is a standard procedure for any financial service. Bitwala, being a licensed German bank, takes this seriously. You'll need to have a valid government-issued ID ready, like a passport or national ID card. The verification is typically done through a video call with a verification agent. They'll ask you to hold up your ID to the camera and might ask a few simple questions to confirm your identity. It's quick, painless, and a necessary step to ensure the security of your account and comply with financial regulations. Once your identity is verified, your Bitwala bank account will be created. You'll receive your own IBAN, which you can use for regular SEPA transfers, just like any other European bank account. This is the account where your euros will live. Now, for the card itself. Within the Bitwala app or web platform, you'll find an option to order your free debit card. Simply follow the prompts, confirm your shipping address, and the card will be on its way. The delivery time can vary depending on your location, but it usually arrives within a week or two. Once your card arrives, all that's left is to activate it. You can do this directly within your Bitwala account. Simply enter the card number and a few other details as requested, and you're good to go. Now you have a fully functional German bank account linked to a debit card that's ready to accept both fiat and crypto. You can transfer crypto from an external wallet, trade it for euros, and then spend those euros with your new card, all within a single, integrated platform. The Bitwala card isn't just a convenience, it's a statement about the future of finance, a future where your assets aren't siloed, and you have complete control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.